Amazon just made a bold move, and almost no one's paying attention. The company quietly announced an AI strategy that could change the internet itself. While everyone's talking about ChatGPT, Gemini, and Elon Musk's XAI, Amazon is preparing to dominate something far bigger, something that could rewrite how the world runs online. This is not just another tech update, it's a power play. And if you understand what's happening right now, you might just see the next trillion-dollar opportunity before everyone else does. For years, when people thought of Amazon, they thought of shopping, boxes on porches, Black Friday deals, and Prime delivery. But what if I told you that Amazon's real business isn't selling products, it's selling the internet itself? Behind the scenes, Amazon Web Services, AWS, powers almost everything we use daily. Netflix streams on it. Zoom meetings run through it. Even parts of NASA and the CIA depend on Amazon servers. It's the invisible engine driving the modern internet. And now, Amazon wants to turn that engine into the foundation of a global AI economy. The move they just made could make every AI tool, from startups to global corporations, dependent on Amazon. Here's what the headlines aren't telling you. While Google and Microsoft are busy creating their own AI chatbots, Amazon has launched something called Amazon Bedrock. It's not an app. It's not a chatbot. It's the infrastructure, the backbone that other AI tools will be built on. Think of Bedrock as the factory for artificial intelligence. Instead of creating just one AI system, Amazon is selling the tools for others to build their own. It gives companies instant access to foundation models, like Claude from Anthropic, Titan from Amazon itself, and models from Meta and Mistral, all running seamlessly on Amazon's cloud. So while other tech giants are chasing headlines, Amazon is quietly selling the shovels in the AI gold rush. And history has shown, it's not the gold miners who get rich. It's the ones who sell the tools. But this isn't just about profit, it's about power. Because whoever controls the infrastructure of AI controls the future of the digital world. Amazon's massive data centers, spread across more than 30 regions globally, are already essential for governments, startups, and Fortune 500 companies. Now, every AI model that relies on Amazon's infrastructure gives them more data, more influence, and more control. It's the perfect setup. AI companies need huge computing power. Amazon owns that power. And every time a new AI product launches, Amazon gets a piece of the pie, quietly, automatically, endlessly. This is the kind of move that doesn't make noise, but shifts industries. And Wall Street is starting to notice. Since Amazon announced its deeper AI push, analysts have started re-evaluating its long-term value. For years, AWS was seen as Amazon's cash cow. Now it's becoming its secret weapon. They've already invested billions into Anthropic, one of OpenAI's biggest rivals, to ensure their AI models run natively on Amazon systems. It's a chess move that locks competitors out of key partnerships, and it gives Amazon access to cutting-edge AI tech without needing to build everything from scratch. At the same time, Amazon is quietly embedding AI into everything it does. Product recommendations, pricing algorithms, warehouse robotics, delivery logistics, Alexa devices. Every single layer of its empire is being rewritten with AI. This isn't an experiment. It's a transformation. But here's the twist, and the part that's being ignored. Amazon's real goal might not be to dominate AI products, but to control the pipelines of intelligence. In the same way that oil companies once controlled the flow of energy, Amazon wants to control the flow of data, computing, and AI processing power. That's why insiders are calling this move the new internet takeover. If successful, Amazon could quietly become the company that runs every major AI system in the world, even the ones built by its rivals. Imagine OpenAI, Google, and Meta all paying Amazon to run their systems. That's the endgame. That's why this quiet announcement is one of the most powerful business stories of 2025. So, what does this mean for investors and innovators? It means that Amazon's next era isn't about e-commerce. It's about infrastructure dominance. It's not fighting for your attention like YouTube or TikTok. It's building the foundation those platforms depend on. In short, while others chase fame, Amazon's chasing control. And control is where the real money lies. So the next time you hear someone say Amazon is just an online store, remember this. It's the store that owns the servers, the data that trains AI, and soon the platforms that decide how that AI thinks. The truth about Amazon's new AI move isn't just about technology. It's about power, digital, financial, and global. Because in the new world of artificial intelligence, the richest company won't be the one that sells the most products, but the one that controls the machines that sell everything else. So, are we witnessing Amazon's quiet return to dominance? Or the rise of a digital empire too powerful to stop? Let's talk about it in the comments. And if you want to stay ahead of the biggest money and power shifts in the world, make sure you subscribe. This is the Wealth Report.